Hello everybody, welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another video. All right, so before I get started, I wanted to mention again, and like I always do in all of my videos, in about 2.5 weeks, oh my gosh, I remember like a couple of videos back where I said, oh my gosh, in 6 weeks, in 4 weeks, guess what? In 2.5 weeks, the Fluid Art Experience in Dallas, Texas is happening. I'm leaving in 2 weeks. I cannot wait to get out of this cold and head on over to Dallas, Texas and hang out with my cool, awesome friends. But I'm going to be teaching Dallas, Texas. Dates are March 14th to the 16th. There are still tickets available. I am teaching 6 classes. 2 out of those 6 classes are almost sold out. That would be my large canvas blowouts class and my bloom technique class. Those 2 are almost sold out. So if you are wanting to come and learn how to bloom, learn how to do a blowout, learn how to do top coat resining, or learn how to do an ocean abstract resin art piece, I am teaching all of that, my friends. Go to www.fluidartexperience.com. You can still get your tickets. Come and see me in Dallas, Texas. All right, dried results. Look at that. Now, of course, yes, it's dull, it's dark, moody, but it does not have the life of crystal resin on it yet. So once this gets a top coat of crystal resin, it is going to shimmer, shine, and pop. But it dried so well. I know it looks kind of dull, but I promise you, once I get resin on it, I'll show it to you guys and you'll see how the colors pop. This is a 14 by 14. This is a 14 by 14, and this is available for purchase if anyone is interested. All right, today I'm doing something really bizarre, really wonky. I was cleaning out my studio a couple of days ago, and I came across a bunch of paints that were in my cupboard that, I kid you not, have been sitting in the cupboard for 4 years or more. So I was like, you know what? Why do I have these? I'm never going to use them. They're probably no good anymore. And I was going to chuck them. And then I was like, you know what? No, let me play with them first. First, I'm going to play with them, and if I don't like them or it doesn't work out or whatever, then I'll chuck them. So these are actually paints from Color Art. I don't know, some of you may or may not remember the company Color Art. I have heard that the business, she no longer sells these things or any of her stuff anymore. I don't know. But it's this stuff called Prism Pour. I don't even know why I'm showing it to you guys, because you can't get it. So don't ask me in the comments, where can I buy that? You can't. They don't sell it anymore. Like I said, these are like 4 or 5 years old. Some of them had never even been opened. I had to literally dump out the contents into a cup yesterday, and then with a popsicle stick, scrape out all the sediment at the bottom, which was all the sparkle and the glitter. And then I spent like 2 hours, because I have like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, about 15 colors. And so I did that, and I'm like, you know what? I'm going to play around with them today. Some of them were super, super duper thick. So I had to water them down with some Liquitex pouring medium. Again, what I'm doing today, don't look to try and do it, because you can't get this stuff. Like, I mean, you can, I'm going to do a ring pour, by the way. Something I haven't done in a really long time. Oh my gosh, this stuff is like molasses. I don't even know if this is going to work. And there might end up like being some like paint boogies in here. But whatever. I don't care. I'm just playing around today with you guys. And we're just gonna, see what comes about. But like, I mean, these colors are pretty stunning. I'm not gonna lie. This is like a nice sapphire blue. How pretty is it? Again, you cannot buy these anymore. This is just like a pearl white-ish with like a lot of shimmer in it. This is like a beautiful turquoise color. Again, there's probably all kinds of like snot boogies in here. I don't even know. I don't even know. And then this is a beautiful, like, metallic purple. So, like I said, some of these were super duper thick, and they're probably still super duper thick. So I don't even know how that's gonna work on here and tilting it and doing a whole ring pour. So yeah, I don't know. We're gonna find out together. So this could be a really cool final end result, or this could be just oh, well, that sucked. I'm gonna scrape it to save the canvas and, you know, call it a day. So, make sure there's nothing in there. Not that it matters, because there's probably boogies in here. So, oh my gosh, this stuff is thick, 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 thick. So I'm just going to, you know, alternate these colors in here. And again, I don't even know if I'm going to have enough to cover the whole canvas. I debated whether I should just put some of my white base that I use for my blowouts as an extender. And we'll see how that works. We'll see if I need it. I mean, we'll see. So if I start trying to tilt this and it ain't going anywhere, then I might add some paint on the outside to extend. But I don't know. We'll see. I mean, I don't know. There might be enough paint. There should be enough paint, but you just don't know. We'll see what happens. I don't know. Do you know? We'll find out together. Like I said, I was literally just gonna chuck these in the garbage, and I thought that's a shame because they really are really beautiful colors. They really are. And it would be, oh yeah, this is gonna be enough paint for sure. It would really be a shame to just chuck them without even at least playing with them and trying them. Oh, I was like, oh my God, I'm making a mess, but I don't care at this point. I'm just gonna scrape every little bit I can. Oh, I just dropped it on the canvas. I'm making a mess. All right, that's empty. Let's empty out the blue. Oh, I have to start thinking about what I'm gonna pack and what I need to take with me to Texas. I've shipped out everything I could and that needed to be shipped out already. It's on its way to Lee's house in Dallas, Texas. Super excited to see all my friends. I haven't seen my awesome friends since May of last year when we were in Asheville, North Carolina for FAE in May. So it's been a while. Oh, this is a full cup. This should be enough. It's just a matter of how is it going to... Oh, look at that. I don't even want to... I can't even tilt it to show you the side, but... All right, well, bottoms up. Let's just... Oh, this is so much paint. Oh my gosh, this is so much paint. Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh, the shimmer though. Wow. Look at that. Oh, this is definitely going to be enough paint for this. In fact, it's probably too much, but I don't care. Because again, I was probably just going to toss this stuff out anyway. So, I don't know, man. This blue seems to be taking over quite a bit. Oh, there's my turquoise. There's my white pearl. I'm not even doing this like carefully. I'm just squiggling this stuff around. There's no rhyme or reason for what I'm doing. Not at all. Oh, there's definitely going to be enough paint here. Catch that drip. Not that it matters. And this stuff is like stains. So get it off your fingers. What am I talking about? Like as if you guys are going to go and buy it. So I'm telling you, giving you advice on it. I noticed that yesterday. It was a real pain in the butt. You know what? That reminds me. I'm getting gloves. Hold on. I can't believe I was gonna tilt this and not put a pair of gloves on. That would have been so silly. So silly. Got my gloves on. I just got my nails done. So definitely don't want to ruin that. All right. So, like I said, there should be enough paint on here. So let's see. Oh my gosh, the shimmer in this is ridiculous. I'm gonna speed you guys up because this is like slow, like molasses. So I'm gonna speed it up because otherwise we're gonna be here for like 20 minutes. I'll be right back. All right. Well, boy, am I glad I put gloves on for this. I don't even know what to think about this. First off, the paint was so thick, which is fine. There's probably still a lot of paint on here, but I mean, I don't know if you can even see the shimmer that I see. Maybe when I bring you guys in for a close-up, you'll be able to see it more. It's an interesting design. I feel like I lost a lot of the turquoisey green. The pearl is definitely in there a lot. And there's a lot of air bubbles. So I'm wondering if I should torch it. I'm gonna torch it to pop those air bubbles. So let's see. Just when I thought I was gonna come out clean, look at that. Just had to get a little bit on myself, didn't I? All right, let's see what happens. Okay, well. I'm probably burning the paint, although I don't smell anything, but funny, or burning, I mean. But there's so many air bubbles. I want to make sure they all pop. Seems to be doing okay. All right, whatever. Is what it is. Okay. It's interesting. I mean, where did that blob come from? Did I drip into it with my gloves or something? Did I? Like, I mean, where did that little thing come from? Anyways, let me bring you guys in for a close-up. All right, so, like, I mean, this is just the blue abyss to me, because it's just overly dominated by the blue. You can see a little bit of the turquoise in there, but it's definitely been dominated by blue. I don't even know what to think about this. I'm literally just thought I'd have some fun today. Throw on the camera, turn it on, start recording. That actually looks pretty cool right there, that center. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know what to think about this. Let me turn the lights off and let's see what kind of shimmer we'll see. All right, so the flash is on, and obviously this thing is gonna glow and shimmer like crazy. I mean, look at that. That's insane. It definitely shimmers a lot. That spot, where did that little bugger come from? I'm gonna have to go back into my edit when I'm editing and see if I can see where it dropped in there. But look at that. There's Wow, there's a lot of shimmer in this. Oh man, I wonder how it's gonna look when it dries. I cannot wait to see. It's that, like, look at it. You see it? Oh, it almost looks like a geode crystal shimmering. Actually, that is pretty cool. I'm starting to like this guy. Look at that. All right, well, let's turn the lights back on. Well, there you have it, my friends. I'd love to know what you think about it. We'll see how it dries. I think that'll be the true test, is to see what it's gonna look like when it dries. But like, I mean, look at that. Look at the shimmer. Gosh, that's really bugging me. But yeah, so you can see, look, don't mind my big bright light, but look at all the colors I was mixing yesterday. Oh, so many hours. I'm probably gonna end up, I don't know, chucking them. They're just very clumpy and thick, and I'm not about to waste my entire bottle of Liquitex pouring medium for that. So, anywho, let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below. And again, don't forget, come and see me in Dallas, Texas if you can. Time is running out to get your tickets. So, that is it for me for now. Until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.